Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. The JMBricklayer Flower House. Now this is a good looking set. It looks like it's a little flower greenhouse type build. So it's $50 US. You get free shipping with it. So that's a bonus. And I am trying to open this box. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Let's take a look what we get. Now, what is this? Oh, we get lots of butterflies, flowers, and this brick separator. Geez, that looks pretty much like Lego. Look at that. Wow, pretty cool comparison. I get a red brick separator now. Now, here's the little flowers and butterflies here. These feel slightly different to Lego, but they do look really good. The colors are really nice, and I don't have any purple bugs or flowers like that, so that's good. Get that little pipe there. What else is it? Whoa, there's heaps of packets in here. Holy dooly. So you get 1,593 pieces with this set. I'm just inspecting those plant parts. Lots of windows there. A lot of bags. We're going to take a look at this instruction booklet because I'm interested to see if it's easy enough to read. Yep, it looks alright. So this is for the more advanced builder, so that's why it's 14 plus. Oh, and we get some stickers here. Let me take a look. Oh, a little florist sticker. Okay, that looks very cute. The bags are numbered 1 to 3, but there's so many of each one, so it's going to be a bit hard to build. What have we got here? A light brick. Whoa, a string of lights here. I'll just open it up. And it's battery powered, so I'll just pop that out, turn it on. Whoa, they are really, really bright. They look cool. All right, wasn't expecting a light pack, so that's good. I'm happy about that. Lots of bags there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's build. I really love the tiling at the front, and it looks like there's like little flower patterns there. Just adds a lot of detail to the front of the set also. I love the amount of flowers that are included in this and the different types of builds of the flowers. So I really like that. And I've just built a little shelving unit here to place them all on. And I love the ones with the little lotus flowers on there. They look really nice. So I like the different types of flowers that come in this. And then we've got lots of little bits and pieces like furniture and books that go in here. So this is a very detailed flower shop on the inside and outside. Just popping in this very large door that I had to put together, and I really like that it's got the glass type paneling in also. I just need to join the first section that I built because this is going to be able to swing open also. So you can have this build closed or open, which is quite nice. Now's the time for the angled roof part, and I do like that you get transparent plates there to add lots of natural light into this flower house. And this part here is to hold the center of the roof together. So you pop it in there. It's a little bit fiddly, so you got to do it quite slowly. Just adding some finishing details at the front of the shop there. Here's the other part of the roof. So you got to really click it all together nice and slowly so the roof doesn't fall apart. Well, once you've done that, it's quite secure. So you don't really lift open the roof as such. I really do love all the details at the front of this shop also, with the different parts added, and lots of plants also. I guess because it's a flower shop you need lots of plants for it. Once again, there's all different types of plants that are built, which are really great. I love that vine going up the side. We get a lamppost. So this is looking really pretty. And then you just unclick that one brick there, and here is the inside. So with the light, or the string of lights, they just wanted you to pop it inside. I will do it a lot neater than this. I just wanted to put it in to turn it on so you could see. But it does look really pretty lit up because of all the windows that are included there. I've made my room a little bit darker so you can see how pretty it looks lit up. It could be like a night light, this little set. It is gorgeous. I love all the detail here. Love that you have those big doors also. So much detail at the front. It's a really pretty set. I'm just going to stand at the front so you can see the size difference with my mini doll. I was lucky enough to get some printed tiles done because JMBricklayer are doing a printed tile service now. So you just send in a picture and they'll print it on a tile for you. It looks really cool. So there's my JoJo's brick time. It feels really nice, like the quality of the print's really good, and it's a really good quality part. So I'm liking that. So that's off my channel, the colour. I might stick it up here or over here. Oh, I'm looking forward to using these printed tiles. I'll just hold on to this. I am so happy with that. Like, that is so nice. Thank you, JMBricklayer. I love it. And there's a picture of me and my cat. I can hang that up on my wall somewhere. I'm just showing off my printed personalised tiles. Loving how pretty this shop looks from the front and from the side. And opened up, check out the detail. The JMBricklayer Flower Shop. I love the look of this set. It was actually really easy to build apart from the roof, so it doesn't have to be a 14+ set. I love that you get the little string of lights to add that extra little bit of, I guess, light and detail. And it's great that you can open it up also so you can play inside or look inside a lot better. Great quality parts. This is, you know, good value compared to Lego. Imagine how much that would cost in a Lego set. So I am really liking that shop and recommending it. So everyone, get your bricks out.